Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. My name is Mr. Piano. Today we're going to look at the clock strikes 13. Let's look at our hand position first. It says 3 is on B, but to get there, what we should do is find where 1 goes. So we're going to take our right hand thumb and place it on G above middle C. I want you to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you play that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now I want you to play finger 3. Very nice. Let's look at this first line together, just the right hand. We'll look at the left hand in a minute. In the right hand, we play 3, hold for 2, play 1 beat, 2 beats, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 5. Now let's look at this measure in specific right here. We're going to start on 3 for 1 beat, and then we'll skip down to 1. See, it says 1 here. And we'll play 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 5 together. Let's try this. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 5 together. Very nice. Let's try that first line, right hand, together. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 5. Hold 1 and 5 for 3 beats before going on. Left hand thumb is going to be on D below middle C. Here's middle C. Left hand thumb will be on D below middle C. Play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. Now can you play 1 and 5 together? We're going to hold 1 and 5 for 2 beats. Play for 1, and then we'll repeat that. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Hold for 3. Hold for 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hold, hold, and good. Let's try putting the hands together. Remember that right hand 1 is on G above middle C, and left hand 1 is on D below middle C. So our first chord, 3 in the right hand, on B, and left hand 1 and 5. All right, let's try this together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 5 together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold the left hand for 2 measures. 3. Now this last part is a little different in the right hand. Instead of playing what we played up here, we're going to start on 3, and then we will step down to finger 2. Step down to 1, 2, and 5, and 1. Let's try this, just the right hand. 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1. Again. Hold for 3. Very nice. On any high G of your choice, with the third finger, you can brace it with the thumb. I'm going to choose this G. This was the G that our right hand thumb was at, so I'm choosing the G an octave higher than that. And we're going to play that 13 times. We're going to start as soft as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7 should be the loudest. 10, 11, 12, 13. Very nice. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For this piece, you can hold the pedal down for the entire song. If you don't have a pedal, don't worry about that, and try to connect all of the notes together as much as possible with your fingers. this song, make sure to maintain a steady hand position in our G5 finger scale. Keep your eyes on the music. Start slowly and then build up speed. Make sure to practice in sections. So for this song, we would practice the first line, and then we would practice the second line. And then practice the 13 bells on any high G of your choice. Remember to have fun, and I'll see you next time. Happy practicing.